So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about choosing, and I feel like I'm talking about choice a lot, but I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, so obviously I would talk about choice a lot. But yeah, I want to talk about choosing and the fact that we are able to choose, and I want to talk about it in a way. Okay, so let me just introduce myself because this is going to be a little complicated, I can tell already. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit. And outfit is the metaphor for your reality and experience. We have the power to choose the outfit for our life. As I was raised under the impression that everything is preordained and predestined. So whatever suit your dealt, I think that's the saying that they say. I don't know. Whatever lot you were provided in life, is that what they say? I'm so bad with sayings. I'm just gonna put that out there. But whatever lot you have in life, that is what you're going. That's your destiny. Like that. If you were born into struggle, then that's going to be your life. Or everything is preordained and predestined. And I believe that for a long time, and I believe that to an extent still. Now, I wanted to talk about my concept or how I've conceptualized the being predestined or preordained. Now, this is a little deep and a little esoteric for some people, but you know, in journaling this morning, I came to this conclusion and I thought it was like pretty interesting and I really wanted to share. Now in my book, You Choose Your Outfit, I talk about being able to manifest the reality that you see fit for yourself. We all have a purpose, I believe that, but we can dress it up in any way, really. Like we choose our outfit, we choose the outfit in which we choose to express our purpose in. And so I wanted to talk about this predestined, preordainedness that we are like, we're not in, like everything is kind of set in stone, and what, you know, that we are not in control and we don't choose. I honestly believe we do choose. I also believe that all of creation is already complete. And so, in that, we talk about being co-creators. Are we co-creators really? In a sense, it's all about how you look at it, really. Because creation was created by the Creator. But we have the powerful choice to choose that what exists. So if you can see it in your mind's eye, if you can see it, you can imagine it, then that means it exists now. It exists now. And so you have the ability to choose or select that outfit for yourself. And so things being preordained, I feel, and this is just my opinion, is a matter of creation already being complete. It's already been created. So we're in a sense not creating, we're choosing that reality that we want to experience. We're choosing the outfit we want to wear. And so with everything being predestined, preordained, that means that creation is already complete. And so it's not a matter of us creating it, it's a matter of us choosing who we want to be, choosing the outfit that we want. All right, little man, all right. Choosing the outfit that we want to wear. You know, it's funny how I came to that conclusion. It's really been in an interesting way today. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I will say this. I was trying to manifest something into my life. For the most part, I can imagine with down to a lot of details, a lot of things. Now, this one thing that I was trying to manifest, or shall I say this person that I was trying to manifest into my life, I could not see it. I could not imagine it. And I was like, that is interesting, because I've never had an issue imagining things into my life, or imagining, period. Because I am just like, my mind is just like that. I imagine so many things. So I found that interesting, that I couldn't imagine it. And so I came to the conclusion, things happened, not just me coming to the conclusion, but some things happened that made me realize that that's not for me, and that is not for my life. And so that's why I was like, why am I having a hard time imagining this? I don't often have that problem. But I came to the conclusion that, well, I really did. I mean, some things happened. Circumstances led me to believe that that just was not for my life. And it's interesting to me. Obviously I don't know all of the answers to this thing we call life, but I do believe that now. And who knows, I might not believe that in a week, who knows, because life is forever evolving, and I'm always learning more things about myself, which makes it fun. I am grateful to be able to have this knowledge and to learn and choose. I just wanted to share that. I really believe that it comes down to choice. It really does. Now, if I do believe that creation is complete. I believe that if you can see it in your mind's eye, that means it's possible for you. So whatever you can see in your mind's eye, that means it's possible for you. And all you have to do is choose it for your life. Select it. It comes down to that, choosing that for you, and knowing that you're deserving of it. You deserve it. So I think that's the two major things is, if you can see it, it's possible for you. If you can imagine it, it's possible for you. And then the second part is knowing that you're worthy of it. You deserve to wear that outfit. You deserve to wear whatever you choose to wear and how to express yourself. You deserve it. So anyways, you guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel as well. Like I said, I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality and experience. And operative word, you get to choose, girlfriend. Choose it. Because I want to choose it. Hey, life is interesting. But I think that's the beautiful thing about designing and outfits and fashion, is that you can get creative. You can imagine things, and I just think that's so beautiful. Anyway, until next time, I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.